Welcome to Ring Mobile. I am Philip Janssen van Vieren. Today we'll do a quick video of the unboxing of our newest phone. Firstly, inside the box is your quick startup guide. Then the physical device, the handset, the handset's cord, the bracket for the handset, the 220-volt adapter, as well as a USB power adapter that can be used on a power bank or connect to your laptop to give the phone power, as well as a network cable. Thank you for joining us. This is Philip from Ring Mobile. Join us again soon.